Welcome back, my people. Today I will share with you a simple recipe that is diabetic friendly. So for this recipe, I'm using ground beef, some onions, bell peppers. As you can see in the pot, you brown your beef and then you add your onions and bell peppers. I'm also going to be using diced tomatoes, fire roasted diced tomatoes, and some canned black beans. And then these are the seasonings: chili, cumin, and paprika, about half a teaspoon each, and then some garlic. Always we use some hot peppers, but you can skip that. So as you can see, I've added everything to the pot, the seasonings. And then for the beans, we want to drain the beans. Since I'm using canned beans, wash out that solution really well before using. Of course, we always use salt and black pepper to add the flavor to taste. So as you can see, everything is now in my pot. I'm also going to be adding some chicken broth to my pot, and then I would let it simmer. While it simmers, I go and walk on the treadmill for 20 minutes. Now, this is how our soup is looking like. It is too chunky for me, so I'm going to take a portion of it and blend it for a little bit. No, just a couple of pulses, nothing too serious. If you like yours chunky, leave it chunky, but I like the texture that I get from blending. So I've blended that stuff and now I'm adding it back to my pot. I'm going to stir it. The aroma at this point is just absolutely amazing. Now I'm coming in with some kale. This is kale from the garden. You can add any vegetable of choice, but kale, as we all know, is a superfood, and this is a really simple way of using the vegetables that you have in your garden. If you want, you can add a handful of corn. I added that just for sweetness, nothing too much, because I want to keep this meal low carb. Guys, just look at all of that texture, all of the veggies, all of the fiber. So I got 2 portions out of it, one for me and one for the husband for lunch. This will keep us full until we can be back home in the evening for dinner. I hope you try out this recipe. Follow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.